Shanty's doing well. All right. Man, today's like 45 degrees out. It's almost Thanksgiving. It is nice in here. It really is. And just got the Weber fired up. We're doing stuffed spaghetti squash on the Weber kettle with a slow and sear. And it's going to be a really garlicky Parmesan cheese meat inside this. It's going to be awesome. I hope. I hope. We'll see. Anyway, Thanksgiving's coming up. I don't know if I'm going to do any Thanksgiving cooks, turkeys, and all that. I was going to get a pellet smoker, and I was going to do a turkey, but funds aren't available, so we'll do that next year. Anyway, yeah, last night, giant windstorm. So I like having that clear plastic. Yep. So still got some more projects to do in here. I haven't done anything in here in weeks. So yeah, progress has slowed right down. But anyway, we're cooking today. That is for sure. And we're getting a nice beverage too. Let's get to cooking. All right. almost thick enough. We're pulling that squash off the Weber. We're gonna fork the spaghetti part of the squash, and then we're adding all of this stuffing and topping it off with mozzarella cheese, shredded, or whatever cheese you like. Do whatever you want, and put it back on the Weber at about 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, and we should be rocking. Maybe half hour, depending on your grill. I mean, heck, you can go down to 300 degrees and prolong the cook a little bit longer, because the stuffing's already cooked. I'm just thickening it up. We're just about done here. Whew. It is 66 degrees in here. And it's only like now 35, 40 degrees outside. So this is amazing. But I got two the Weber's on and this burner here. We're cooking. We're cooking. Oh, hell yeah. Anyway, I'm turning the heat off this in just a minute and pulling that squash. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Spaghetti squash in the Weber kettle with wood lump charcoal. Hell yeah. And it's almost Thanksgiving. I'm in a t-shirt cooking in Central New York. That's unheard of, so I'm excited. Alright, let's get this all buttoned up, put back on that Weber, and let's grab the barley pop. Oh yeah. Piping hot. Piping hot. Ooh, we dropped a little drizzle. It is what it is. Boy, the smell off that, amazing. Oh heck yeah. We're gonna give this we're gonna give this spaghetti squash a taste test. This is stuffed spaghetti squash on the Weber kettle with the slow and sear. You could do anything in that Weber kettle. That's damn near, with that slow and sear, it's an oven with good airflow, and you get that smoke. That's what I was hoping with that squash. And we were talking about Thanksgiving coming up. I do like to do acorn squash on the grill, get that smoke flavor, and maple. This year I got something new coming up. Something new I'm thinking of. But check this out. Cheers. Hell yeah, she's dripping. Cheesy as hell. Cheesy. If you've never tried that, do it. It is freaking amazing. Oh, hell yeah. That is so good. And easy to do. So easy to do. A little bit of time, but it was more hanging out, drinking beers and listening to music. That's really good. Spaghetti squash is great on its own. I really like it. It is delicious stuff, but this is taking it to the next level. Yeah, this is pro stuff. Like if you're in the minor leagues, we're the pros now. This is amazing. Do it. Seriously, you could do this in Thanksgiving as well. And you could change the meat. You don't have to use burger. You can even chop up turkey, cook turkey, put that in there as well. You could do chicken. You could do sausage. Sausage probably would be the bomb. Oh, hell yeah. So anyway, it's still beautiful out here. It's like 35 degrees outside. It's almost 60 in here. Only with that Weber kicking the heat. I did plug up a couple spots. Like up above the duct fan. I insulated that and above the door. It's still got airflow. Don't worry. There's still a lot of airflow in here. I mean, if you look at the bottom of these tarps, canvas tarps, there's a lot of airflow coming in. And even underneath, because part of this shanty is pallets, which need to be replaced. They're about 3 years old now, so I got to replace those anyway. The pallets I get for free at work, I'll just swap those out. But that one over there, airflow is coming underneath it. Yeah, plenty of airflow, trust me. But it's warm in here. Well, it's nice, very nice. I'm gonna bring this in to the family. Kids, I guarantee, are gonna kill it. They're gonna devour this like they did last night with that. What did we make last night? I made some giant fajita. It was amazing. They loved it. And tonight, I guarantee you, same thing, man. You gotta change it up, and that's what helps kids and adults too, man. Change it up what you're cooking. Always is a good refresher. Check it out. It's delicious. One more bite. I mean, check that out. Oh, yeah. I mean, wow. Guess you gotta try to get a thumbnail, right? It's YouTube business. That's delicious. That's a freaking winner. That's a winner all day long. Do it. Seriously, awesome. Subscribe if it's your first time here. Hit the thumbs up. Thank you. And barbecue fam, I love all of you. I'll follow you if you follow me. Cheers. And peace.